hi, how are you doing? It's been a while. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, as in Kyber crystals, like the things in the lightsabers, like in Star Wars. I make Star Wars videos and I usually do my makeup at the same time, and I talk about makeup, fashion, and ships, like relationships, not those kind of ships. But if that is something that you're interested in, stay tuned, subscribe, check me out. Let's be friends.
No, thank you. How are you?
How are we liking Ahsoka, by the way? The 4th episode comes out in a few days, so my Star Wars mug of the day is my Baby Yoda mug, and I'm just drinking coffee because it's pretty early right now. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I mean, is it gonna be different? I don't know. Today I'm introducing a new series where I'm gonna be showing off different makeup looks from specific Star Wars makeup palettes or makeup items that I own. Today's video is an unboxing. I ordered a bunch of Star Wars makeup and I'm gonna show you guys. This video is originally gonna be like 30 to 45 minutes long, but I decided to break it up. Let's get into the unboxing. This may not be new information for some of you, but I have I have a lot of Star Wars makeup. Let me show you what I have quickly. The ColourPop Mandalorian and the Child collection. This came out during the first season of The Mandalorian, so he wasn't officially Grogu yet, he was still the Child. And I actually bought the whole collection of the Child collection. I have the mirror to go with it. It came with a lip gloss as well, or like a lip oil. I gravitate more towards this because it has cool tones, whereas this palette, they're not necessarily colors that I would wear in my day-to-day. I have some of the Pat McGrath Star Wars collection. I have the black mascara, which I keep in the packaging because I love the packaging. I also have the Sith Seduction palette, but I haven't really dug into this palette too much. We're at the Mothership, I think it's like 5 palette. So this is from their Star Wars collection. The only thing about this palette is it is one of their existing palettes, and then they just put like a Star Wars covers. You know, the names aren't really super Star Wars-y, like the Sith Seduction is. But I love this palette. The colors are so versatile. I've actually brought this with me to work and I've used it on some of my models. I just used this purple color very recently on a photo shoot and it looked amazing. I also put it on my eyes today. I did a little bit of glitter as well because I love glitter. Let's open these. Open this one first. And it's not really makeup. I just wanted to do an unboxing. The first thing in this box, I'm really excited about this box in general, but I have the Dark Disciple book. It is paperback. I'm so excited to read this. I'm going to read this and I can't wait to talk about this with my friend Scotty Holiday Star Wars here on YouTube. They are another content creator on here and this is one of their favorite books, one of their favorite Star Wars books, so I can't wait to read it. I'm very, very excited about this book. All right. So big. Oh my god, it's huge. That looks so gross. I love it. It's literally the size of my head. One thing about me is I have a ton of Star Wars mugs. I love collecting them and I love like these stupid character ones. I think that they're so silly and so fun and like so ridiculous and I love it. It's humongous. Okay, so let's open this. It's been a long time since I ordered this, so I kind of forgot what's in here and I hope that it's not damaged. So this is open. I don't like that, but this is the volumizing mascara. Oh my god, I bought a mascara. That's so funny because I needed one when I placed this order. Oh, and it was open? I don't like that. It doesn't smell bad. It's not closing all the way. I will not be using this mascara since it wasn't closed when I opened it, and it's not closing all the way now, and I don't want to put anything that has been contaminated near or around my eyes. Unfortunately, I'll be throwing that away, but like I said, I ordered it like a month or 2 ago, maybe even 3 months ago now, so that's kind of like on me. Star Wars. This is the ColourPop Star Wars collection. I think it's just their Star Wars collection, and it's a pressed powder palette. I've been wanting this since they first dropped it, and they re-released it for May the 4th, and so you know I had to get one. Great. More cute packaging that I'm not gonna throw away. So the packaging is also really soft and matte. I like that it's like embossed, and I love that the Star Wars logo is hollow. Okay, let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so glad it's not broken. I'm a little disappointed there's no mirror in it, but I love the picture that they have. And it's like kind of raised too, so I like that. It feels like high quality. I mean, it is cardboard. All right, these colors look so beautiful. I am gonna wear so many of these shadows. So quickly, I'm just gonna go over the names of these. We have Rebel Princess, Starfighter, Hyperdrive, Loyalty, Outer Rim, Jedi Knight, Kessel Run, New Hope, Galactic Empire, Alliance, Space Pirate, Rebellion, First Mate, Republic, and Star Destroyer. First impressions, I love that this is a combination of matte and shimmery shades. It even looks like we have like a duochrome where it has like a shift to it right here with hyperdrive. Beautiful. I'm really into shimmers right now, so I'm really excited to use this. I also like that we got more interesting colors than just neutrals. I have enough neutral. I don't need to buy a palette that has neutrals in it, like right here. I'm interested to see how this black is, and I'm really interested about these pressed glitters. So Hyperdrive looks very similar to the REM Beauty Fembot. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. Next. I have 3 things. This lip gloss is called Elite from the ColourPop Star Wars collection. It has a little stormtrooper. It has like this iconic wall paneling. I love packaging that is themed. So pretty. It's like this purple lavender color. Sorry, my camera is not adjusting. And the lip gloss itself has some like pink, purple, and silver glitter, it looks like. I'm so excited to try this out. Let's do it right now, actually. And it has a scent to it as well. Oh, it smells good. What is that smell? It's like a very familiar smell. It reminds me of makeup that I had when I was a kid, you know, like play makeup, like a lavender, but it's like very fake. It's very artificial. It is a pretty lightweight lip gloss. Already I can tell just from here that there is like a little bit of like a purple tint to it. I don't know if you can tell on camera. I can tell from like the purple glitter in this. Very pretty, and I definitely will be wearing that. I got the Darth Vader and the C-3PO. Let's open C-3PO first.
This is madness.
Here is the C-3PO palette. Okay, let's open it. And this eyeshadow palette comes with 9 colors. This one does have a mirror, and it says, oh my, beep boop beep. First impressions, I could definitely see myself wearing these colors a lot more often through my day-to-day. I like that there's a combination of matte and a lot of shimmers in here. And I like that even the darker colors have a little bit of shimmer in them. So I really like that. I'll read you the colors. Bolt, Droid, Tatooine, Golden One, Translator, Etiquette, Companion, 6 Million, and Programming. I really like the names. Like I said, I really like when packaging is very thoughtful and very put together. As a Star Wars fan, I really appreciate that. Let's do Darth Vader. It's so cute.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
This is the Darth Vader packaging. All right, so there is a mirror in this one too, and it has I have you now. All right, let me read you the colors. Stormtrooper, Imperial Forces, Battle Station, Gone Galactic, I Am the Master, Death Star, The Empire, Dark Side, and Sith Lord. Right off the bat, I wish that there was a black in here instead of them doing like these lighter colors here. I wish that they're either a little bit more red or not as neutral. I am excited to see like what kind of looks I can get, and I'm really excited about this red. Like I really wish that they like pushed it more with the color story. I want to take a look to see if these reds are similar here. So this one is definitely like a brighter red, and then this one is more of like a satiny kind of red. You're back. How was it? Did you like it? Do you like unboxings? Let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. You know that I would love to hear your thoughts. I will be rolling out videos with looks per palette that I just showed you. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen a preview of this some of the looks. If you want a little insider scoop, follow me on Instagram, links down below, of course. And if you have any looks that you would really like to see, or if you have ideas floating around in your brain, leave them in the comment section down below. I will see you guys next time. May the force be with you. Bye. Dude, why can't I open these?